Hi everyone! Today, I want to talk to you about a critical issue that affects our planet and our lives: climate change. So what exactly is climate change, and how does it affect us? Climate change is the long-term alteration in the Earth's climate, including changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events. These changes are largely driven by human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and trap heat, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. You might be wondering why it's so important to address climate change. The good news is that we can take steps to mitigate its impact and adapt to its consequences. By doing so, we can prevent severe and long-lasting changes in our environment, ecosystems, and economies. Conversely, if we don't act now, climate change can lead to devastating consequences such as increased flooding, droughts, and storms, loss of biodiversity, and more frequent and intense heat waves, hurricanes, and floods. This, in turn, will negatively impact agriculture, fishing, tourism, and many other sectors of our economy. So what can we do to combat climate change? It's simple. We all need to reduce our carbon footprint by using renewable energy, conserving energy, reducing deforestation, and supporting policies and initiatives that aim to mitigate the impacts of climate change. In conclusion, climate change is a complex and urgent issue that affects us all. By understanding its significance and taking action to reduce our carbon footprint, we can work towards a safer, more sustainable future for our planet and its inhabitants. Let's all do our part to protect our climate.